If you have been curious about GoHighLevel but you are not ready to commit yet, the free trial is the perfect way to explore everything this platform offers. In this video, I will show you exactly what you can do with GoHighLevel free trial so you can see if it is the right place to your business or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to use the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So grab the offer by using the link and let's get back to the video. So once you are inside by using the link from the description and successfully created a free trial account, you will be in your dashboard. So it gives you an overview of your lead, opportunities, task, basically your business at a glance. Even during the trial, you get the full access to most of the tool, so you can see how everything works in real time. Now next thing is you can start adding leads and contacts. In the contact section, you can add lead by manually one by one here, or if you want then you can import your lead from this. Let's say if you want to add contact manually, you can just write email, name and each and every information and you can add your lead here. And GoHighLevel store all of the information of your CRM, like their detail and their information, which makes it easy to track the conversation and follow up. One of the most interesting and useful thing is the sites, and here you will see the funnel section. So here you can create the funnel and the landing pages. GoHighLevel has the pre-made template here, so you can use the drag and drop editor and the options to connect forms to your CRM automatically. Even as a free trial user, you can create a lead capture page. You can test it and see how leads flow directly to your system. You will also get to explore the automations and the workflow. So setting up the follow-up email, text message or reminders that trigger based on the lead behavior. For example, if someone fill out a form, you can automatically send them a welcome message or schedule a call. So automations like this, it helps you to see how GoHighLevel can save you time and keep leads engaged. Another important feature you can test is the appointment scheduling. So you can connect your calendar, let clients book your meeting and you can watch as confirmation and you can send the reminders by using the automation. This is a huge time saver and show you how you can manage your schedule efficiently. Finally, you can take a look at reporting and analytics even on the free trial. You can track lead activity, email performance, funnel state and many more. This gives you insight into what's working and what needs the improvement before you decide to upgrade. In short, GoHighLevel free trial lets you explore the dashboard, CRM, funnels, automation, appointment, reporting, basically the core of what makes the platform so powerful. It's a risk-free way to see if GoHighLevel can help you to manage leads, save time and grow your business. Now if you want to try yourself the GoHighLevel, you can use the link from the description. You can get the 30 days free trial link for yourself and you can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.